So my new tires arrived today, and as you can see, these are Cobras. I've had the BFG since I bought the car. Now the only difference, besides the brand, these are 235/60s, whereas these are 225/70s. So I'm hoping for a softer ride, maybe a touch higher. And I checked the DOT line here with the date of manufacture. And as you can see, this one was made on the 10th week of 2022. There's 2 tires that were made on the 11th week and 1 that was made on the 12th. So it's early Sunday morning, and I'm getting ready to lift the car in order to remove all the wheels. So yeah, I have to get ready for this stuff. I also like to take the opportunity to give each and every rim a thorough cleaning. It takes a few minutes, and they just look good that way. So one side is done. Have the wheels clean. I'm going to check a few things since I have the wheels off, and then I'm going to do the other side. So good progress. One last thing I wanted to mention. I'm going to take a Sharpie, and I'm going to mark front right and rear right. And the reason being is when the time comes for me to rotate the wheels, as these are radials, we go from rear to front and vice versa. So you don't want to put this wheel, for example, on the driver's side, front, or even rear. You want to keep them always front to rear or vice versa. Front and right. This one is rear, right. It's been about 2 hours, and this thing is ready to get an oil change. In the meantime, I took my time and I polished the rims. Everything is looking really, really good, and I'm ready for tomorrow, so I can go to a tire shop.
You want white letters out?
Yes, sir. So that dot is telling you exactly where to...
That tells you exactly where it wants the weight placed. Kind of makes it easy.
And how fast does this thing go?
All a little different. Probably around 40 miles an hour, I think.
Okay. 30 to 40. Okay, so I wanted to do a kind of side-by-side comparison. And the 235/60s are about 2.5 inches shorter, which is perfect, I think, because that means that these are going to be approximately 1.25 inches, more like an inch. The car is, rather, it's going to be up about 1 inch off of the ground. So now I'm going to get those installed again. Oh, but before I do that, I have to clean them because these still are wearing the protective blue. Now let's install these. And if you remember, I wrote in the back, this is right rear. So that one over there. Well, I'm going to spare you all the details about installing tires and all of that. I think a video shows this much better. And I'm very happy with the finished product. There are a few little details. No big deal, but this front tire was rubbing. It still is a little bit, so I'm going to have to modify this air dam, and I'm going to do both sides. Other than that, I'm very happy with these tires. It rides very smooth and feels great. And there's a little more clearance down under the car. I don't know if you can tell from older photos. Even though the exhaust was pretty close, it's about 1 inch higher. So it was a great purchase, great investment, and again, I'm very happy with the results. If you're looking to get new tires and are concerned about potential rubbing issues, I suggest you look at the 215/70s instead of the 225s. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.